guys, so today I'm going to be teaching you how to make these origami butterflies with really easy steps. So let's start. First, you will need a 10 centimeter by 10 centimeter square sheet. You will have to fold it in half like this and then like this. And now you will have to fold it diagonally on both the sides. Now after finishing folding all the sides, it will look like this. Now you will have to fold it in half downwards and push this part inside like this. And now you will do the same on the other side. After you finish doing it both the side, it will look like this. And now you have to fold it in half and then grab scissors, and where you have 4 pointed edges, you will have to cut them into a curve like this. When you open it, you will have something like this. Now take the first layer and fold it downwards like this. Now the last step is really easy. You just have to take this pointed part, pull it upwards and fold it like this and curve it inside the wings. We're almost done. All you have to do now is fold it in half like this. You also have to curve it on the back side, making sure that you don't have any folds. And when you open it, you have your butterfly ready. It's really simple making butterflies, isn't it? I have made this card and I stuck the butterflies on it. They make it look really pretty. Even you can make any card and stick these butterflies on top. They make it look really beautiful. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to click on the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. Thanks for watching. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.